Today in this video, we'll review the best recumbent exercise bike. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The recumbent exercise bike is an excellent solution for anyone seeking low-impact cardio at home without sacrificing comfort or performance. Many users struggle with uncomfortable seats or noisy machines, but this bike solves both issues with its plush padded seat, ergonomic backrest, and whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system. Built from commercial-grade steel and supporting up to 400 pounds, it delivers outstanding stability for safe, confident workouts. With 16 adjustable resistance levels, it easily adapts from light rehabilitation sessions to more intense cardio training as your fitness improves. The clear LCD monitor tracks speed, time, distance, calories, odometer, and heart rate through integrated pulse sensors, helping you stay focused on progress. Setup is simple thanks to 85% pre-assembly, and front transport wheels make repositioning effortless. Pros include comfort, quiet operation, durability, and versatility, while it does require dedicated floor space. Ideal for seniors, beginners, and home fitness enthusiasts, this bike is a smart investment in long-term wellness. Thanks for watching.